You want to start writing a book, you want to compose your own song, you want to hit the gym, but are feeling stuck. You think you lack motivation, but that is exactly why you are stuck. Most people think that others are successful because they are highly motivated. In reality, that's not always the full picture. They have just learned something that psychology has known for years. And today, I'm going to share that with you. Hi, guys, my name is Nayantara. I'm a counselor and psychologist, and I'm here to help you to get to know yourself better. Today, we are talking about why motivation is a myth. Let's dive deep into this subject and find out why. You know what's really common today? People constantly plan self-development. Gym memberships hai, study schedules hai, morning routine hai, there are productivity apps, there are vision boards. But after 3 days, a couple of weeks, or a few months, everything falls flat. People fail and then they say, मुझ में वो discipline नहीं है. Maybe I'm not motivated. Maybe I'm just too lazy. In reality, the truth is that action creates motivation and not the other way around. There is a concept in psychology called behavioral activation. Behavioral activation is even used in therapies for depression or low motivation, and the principle is really simple. You don't wait to feel motivated or to feel good to take an action. You act first and then the feeling will follow. Because the brain is not designed to automatically choose action first. If you remember, we learned in one of our previous videos that the brain automatically looks for comfort, it looks for familiarity, and it wants to choose the easiest way through, which means that the brain will almost always tell you, यार कल से शुरू करेंगे ना, and that is always what we do. We want to start a gym membership, we'll say अगले महीने से करेंगे, कुछ नया करना है यार मंडे से करेंगे. In fact, even if I want to do something and it's 7:45, my mind will tell me 8 बजे से शुरू करेंगे. So you are always looking for the next step and your brain is constantly trying to escape to the next time zone, which gives it a channel to escape and look for minimum action in that time. If you think about it, have you ever not wanted to go to the gym, पर जब आप गए और आपने exercise कर ली, you feel good about yourself? Or you didn't want to attend a course, but you were forced to go, you sat through it and then you really enjoyed yourself. You say, यार पढ़ाई करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, but आप बैठ जाते हो, and when you start studying, you end up spending more time studying than you actually imagined. That is because motivation often starts after you have started the action, not before it happens. Why does this happen? This happens because of another psychological concept called the habit loop. In the habit loop, first there is the cue, then the action, and then the reward. When you complete the action, the brain gets a sense of progress, it hits dopamine, and then there is the resistance that was there holding you back that drops. तो जो इच्छा थी कि मैं ये नहीं करना चाह रही हूँ वो एक्टिवेट हो जाती है, वो रिवॉर्ड हो जाती है, एंड यू रियलाइज आई लाइक डूइंग दिस, मे बी आई शुड कंटिन्यू डूइंग दिस. दैट इज वाई people who always rely on motivation struggle to complete something, but people who build systems to start doing something actually end up getting it done. A lot of the self-growth content out there sells intensity. All these programs will tell you wake up at 5 a.m., get so many things done before breakfast, do this before lunch, or change your life in 7 days, do these habits in 30 days, 21 days, 40 days. Oh, it's so intense that your brain hears it and it automatically shuts down because your brain is thinking, यार ये मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा काम है, ये बहुत intense है, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. The brain sees intensity as a threat and then it pushes you back. So most people will see a swing towards extreme productivity and then a massive crash and burnout. It does not work. So how can you push yourself towards getting the work done and staying motivated? I'm going to give you 2 takeaways today. The first takeaway is try a 2-minute rule. Don't tell yourself, I'm going to sit and study for 3 hours today. आप अपने आप को बोलो, today I'll sit for 2 minutes, and actually just sit for 2 minutes. Don't tell yourself, I'm going to do a full workout today. I'm going to go running today, 5 kilometers. No, just tell yourself, I'm going to wear my shoes and step outside. Do whatever it takes towards the action in 2 minutes. Whatever it takes in those 2 minutes, it helps you push against the psychological resistance. And at the same time, it's not so much that your brain is fatigued or scared and pushes you into a pattern of laziness or avoidance. The second is this: consistently try and work on changing an aspect of your identity more than the intensity of what you're doing. What does that mean? आप कुछ कर रहे हो, रोज एक छोटा चेंज लाने की कोशिश करो and see how you see yourself. You stop becoming as someone who's trying to improve, but start becoming someone who's trying to show up. Start becoming somebody who's trying to sit down and be consistent instead of someone who's just studying really hard. How does this help? Because change that is aimed at improvement over a long period of time actually builds your character. You will not just do something, you will become something. You will not just be doing hard work, you will become a hard-working person. So focus more on being than on doing, because doing will always keep your brain aimed at the activity. But if your character changes over time, if your makeup changes over time, in which you are able to sit down and focus and build that as part of you, the change will be far more long lasting than a 20-day challenge, a 30-day challenge, or a 40-day challenge. Long-term discipline is not built on emotion. It is built on repetition and creating habits that will last you a lifetime. So if you are waiting around for some kind of motivation to change your life, guess what? That feeling may never come first. You will have to start somewhere. Start small, start inconsistently, start badly if you must, but start. जब आप शुरू करोगे, you will realize your action will be followed by motivation. आप act करोगे, आप अपने आप motivated हो जाओगे. Motivation is not required to start something. You start and motivation will follow. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I really hoped that this helped you. We have a lot of other videos listed aimed at productivity, aimed at improving yourself, and also at knowing yourself better. Do subscribe to our channel, do like this video, and if it helped you, please do share it with a friend or two. Thanks for watching.